Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a tutorial pixel art of Foxy's ears. You need red stained clay, red wool, and stone. Okay, get out your red stained clay, put in the second row, and third row, put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like that. And then we'll be putting that red wool. Get your red wool, put like that, like that, like that, and like that. Actually, and then you're gonna get your stone out, and there you have it, guys. Very own Foxy ear. Okay, make the other one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And we'll be putting red wool. Get your red wool out. That, like that, and pretty much get your stone out, and then like that. There you have it, guys. Your very own Foxy ears. Hope you guys like this video. Please wait a minute. I forgot something. Okay. Actually, no. I was right. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and like and comment. Bye bye.